How many videos should you make a day on TikTok Shop?
So ours differ now from between 3 and 4 a day.
Yeah.
We try to set it at 4. I would say if you're doing TikTok Shop full time and you are solely focusing on a lot of TikTok Shop, I would say anything from 4 to 10.
I'd say 10 at the moment.
More. I know a lot of accounts that are making a hell of a lot of money and are posting
18.
10, 20, 30 videos a day. You don't need to do that, but some people are. If it's your full-time job and you're just starting out, I would say do as many as you can, 100%. But it's not necessary. You don't need to 100% do that. There is ways of doing it.
Yeah.
Otherwise, we like to set between 3 and 4, but that wasn't the same at the start. We only did one every couple of days.
Yeah.
So again, it's always changing, and algorithm changing, TikTok Shop's changing. The market, so many people are doing TikTok Shop now. I do find that you do need to do more videos than you did used to. But again, it's always trial and error on how we'll see it, but we'll never kind of drop anything lower than 3.
I think personally, if you've got a lower following, I think you need to be doing a minimum of 10.
Yeah.
I think if you've got organic around it and you've got a decent following, yeah, you can get away with 3 or 4.
Mm-hmm.
But I think even us need to up it now.